you definitely have some airplane noise to deal with this property. But other than that, you only have one, two, three, four, five, six, about six neighbors on this one street, and then a business right across the street. You got a gated entrance, you got a one-car garage, so pretty nice. Nothing really to complain about, low maintenance besides that big bush, so just keep that trimmed down. But other than that, you have rocks. Water hose, recycle bin. This property does have an alley, so trash is back there. Other than that, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,576 square feet. First walk in, you have that bathroom, which I'll go in later. You have the living room. Nice size, all tile flooring, so pretty easy to keep clean. That's a closet right up under the stairways, which tile stairs too, so easy to maintain again. Not like the other properties we've seen before with, messed up carpet. Dining room and kitchen. New appliances, so that's pretty cool. You do need a refrigerator. Another little closet, and then you have the garage, which I'll open up later, but let's check out the backyard and see what you got. So, pretty decent though. And then as far as backyard size, not really much to look at. Just have that one little, concrete portion. The rest is rock. So again, good thing about this property, it is very low maintenance. Water hose. I would suggest, getting some weed eater or weed spray. Spray out the backyard so that way you don't have to worry about picking weeds much longer. Side entrance from the back. But yeah, not much for the backyard. Just gonna show you this other little side real quick. Not a lot to it. And then back in we go. Let's have a look at the garage since we already right here. Again, it's just a one-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, so basically 3 bathrooms. Turn on the light. Pretty long garage. Nothing out the usual. They did repaint the house at least, but I can definitely tell you it's hot in there. They should at least turn on the AC. And let's go upstairs. So clean walls. Definitely can say this property is move-in ready. Just a little view of the living room from the stairway. So you already saw the first bathroom downstairs, which right by the doorway. Then you have the 3 bedrooms up here. So first bedroom, decent closet. Looks out to that business that I mentioned. And then it does not have a ceiling fan in there. Another guest bedroom. Same view. Same closet. And again, it does not have a ceiling fan. And there's a bathroom. So pretty nice. They did do some work in here. Overall, the property is pretty clean. And again, it's 1,576 square feet. No ceiling fan in the master suite. So this one looks out to the backyard. As you can see, some building going on. Show you throughout the other window. Be expecting more houses to go up, so those will be probably way higher price. And here's the third bathroom, complete bathroom, walk-in shower, so no bathtub. The other bathroom had a bathtub, and then one downstairs is a half bath. Walk-in closet, nice space in here. You can put a dresser inside here as well. Plenty of hanging space, but I'm speaking from my point of view. And that's pretty much it. So we'll go have a look at the bathroom downstairs. But other than that, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5. We're right outside of Central Phoenix on Buckeye and 7th Avenue. And this one's going for $415,000. So this is usually what you get around this price range. Again, I'll be showing you more in the $400,000 price range. So that way, you can have something to compare it to. And there's the bathroom. Let's have a look at the next property. Now this one, still similar as far as build-wise with the other property, but in a much nicer location. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Just outside of the Biltmore area on 21st Street in Indian School, so near Biltmore and Arcadia area. Very nice. So these are considered townhouses. You do share a wall with your neighbor right here, and then your property would be right here. So again, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. When you first walk in, you have the kitchen. Somewhat small, but you do get a dining area in there, recessed lighting. So it does cover the whole kitchen. Pantry, there is a pantry room in there, which I did not show. But yeah, the closet, a living space room area. So very high ceilings, lots of natural lighting because the windows, you do have shutters on the windows, so that's very good. Easier to close out the light when you want to. I still suggest getting curtains. And there's that dining room. Now, backyard or lack of it, you do have a space, so I wouldn't suggest going crazy, especially with no big dogs, but you just have this little walkout area, and then, you can make it look real nice, though. Add some artificial turf, but right now it's just rocks and weeds, so get some weed killer, and then you'll have zero maintenance for this property. There is a HOA, which is $230 a month for this property. So again, the living area, nice stairway, good for prom pictures. Heavy duty door. And then here's the first bathroom, which is a half bath, so just a toilet. Pretty convenient. Nobody has to go upstairs and need personal property. Very nice laundry room. Probably can add a cabinet or countertop in there. 2-car garage, nothing out the usual. All garages usually look the same, so. And then the closet space stops right there. And then stairs. Now, as far as this carpet, no cleaning needs to be done. I think it was actually brand new carpet, so that's pretty nice. City's Arizona, so fireplace is just for looks. And then here's the part that I like. A really huge master bedroom. Vaulted ceilings, so no ceiling fan. Big walk-in closet, plenty of space to add whatever you need to add in there. Big bathroom. You got a separate shower and a separate tub, and then a toilet room. Again, vaulted ceilings all throughout the whole master suite. Very spacious. Recessed lighting. Nothing crazy with this one. Only thing I would say is just, the HOA, $230 a month. You have to keep that in mind on top of your mortgage. First guest suite of the 3 bedrooms. So you already saw the master. Here's the guest. No ceiling fan. Shutters throughout the whole property. So that's pretty nice. Semi walk-in closet. Again, carpet's pretty new, so don't have to worry about that. And here's the 3rd bathroom. So full bathroom, tub, and shower. In the 3rd bedroom, no ceiling fan, shutters, not a walk-in closet, just a normal closet. I would say still overall very nice, especially the area. So for this property, again, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,073 square feet. So a little bit over 2,000 square feet. This one is going for $515,000. It's a townhouse, so, one of the first properties I've shown in this price range. I will be showing you more in the 500, 550 price range, just so you have something to compare to. But other than that, this is what you can expect, pretty clean properties for around this price point. And that's it.